silver. All right, based on daily chart that we can see the price break this low. That's why to analyze we move to monthly chart. Based on the higher time frame we see what we can expect. Okay, in this case based on the monthly chart, just I need to highlight for those they like to trade based on the long term. Okay, now the question is how we're going to trade. As we can see we had a move up sharp. Okay, there is a possibility we get a correction, then we don't know how deep this correction can be. This means we can expect the correction and we can see the continuation for the move up. In that case we should expect, I mean in that case if we get the correction here we can expect the price come to this level. The another option or the another possibility is still there's a still is it possible the price come to this level before move up. Okay, that's mean we see in the based on the in the future if we get whether we get a correction here for the continuation or we get a reversal. That's why for those people that trade based on the higher time frame, if they want to trade they should get the proper trade setup based on the lower time frame. Okay, and what we prefer, if the price can reverse came to this level somewhere around here, then from there if we look for buy it can give us better risk and reward. Anyway, in this case if we move to daily weekly we don't have much more information, then we move to daily chart. All right, based on daily chart, since based on our analysis for last month when the price was here, we say one of the option we would expect the price come and break this low. As we can see it's break, and now the question is what happening here. As we can see we have a small correction. Okay, anyway, based on the correction we have it, maybe call it a regular flat. And now the question is, one of the option is the price we can expect after this correction we can expect the price move up. Okay, if we go for this option we are not sure whether the price from here can reverse or still there is a possibility the price can drop. Okay, this is what we have here. Now again we want to see how this correction can form. The price from here move still can drop, then from there we can move up. That means we can get the uptrend. In this case that means we need to see how this correction can form. As we can see here is just 3 days and is not enough for us to make a decision. But is there a possibility the sharp price from here move or drop? Yes. But do we have a trade setup? No. That means we need to wait for the trade setup before we take the trade, because of those possibilities we explained based on the higher time frame, based on the monthly chart. Alright, in this case I move to 4-hour chart. Alright, based on the 4-hour chart, the trade we have today, the possibility was this one. Anyone could trade this one. Okay, now for those traders that they look for buy, they should move their stop loss to break even, because still we are not sure there is a continuation or we getting the correction here. In this case again we had there was a possibility here with a buy setup, and anyone is in the trade they should move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. Okay, now for us how are we going to trade it? Okay, right now we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or for sell. For me, if there is a continuation here, that's mean the price move, we don't buy because there is no buy setup unless we get a sharp move, then we get a small correction again. Unless we get a sharp move, a small correction or any correction, then yes we can consider. We need to see, but right now here even the price move we don't buy, even the drop also we don't buy. Based on what we have right now, how we can trade it. For next day, if we get a correction, that means that we get the price drop somewhere, we get a correction, yes, then we can look for buy within the correction, and those buy is just a short term buy we need to consider. Okay, but how about the price drop and come to this level? Then what we can expect for the down move, that means we expect the flat here, the correction, then we should look for the down move. In that case That means if the price from here drop, come to this level or lower, then if we get any flat here, we can look for sell in relative to this. And how about if the price from here slowly move in terms of the correction? Yes, still we can look for down move. That's mean right now we don't have any trade setup. We need to see this correction how form, then from there we can make a decision. Also there is a possibility the price drop here, we get the buy, come to this level, then from there we get the sell. That means any buy within this correction we get, as long as they break the top, remove our stop loss in break even, and if we see is moving, just keep it. If we see the reversal, we take out the trade. Okay. And one more things right now I need to mention. Also sometimes there is a possibility, because just now we see if the price slowly move in the uptrend in the correction way, we can look for sell, but we need to get the sell set up before we look for sell, because sometimes, but it's rare, we have this kind of situation, the price slowly move in terms of the correction, then suddenly spike up. Okay, even we get the small this type of the correction as just now we explained. If we want to look for sell, we need to get the trade set up. Anyway, even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or sell. We need to wait to get the correction here, then from there we can see how we can trade it. In this case we just follow the chart. If we get any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.